Hey guys, Al Spence here for Gulf Coast Custom Models. Hey, I haven't done a video for a little while. My mother-in-law moved in with us too. She's like the same age as my mom, 85, 86, something like that. But she got abandoned in Ohio and tossed in a home up there, and we didn't know it, so my wife went and got her. So we got a real full house. Anyways, guys, I just did this Socks and Martin Cuda. It's all paint. The kit decals just don't look right on it, so I shot her. That's Deja Vu Blue on the roof and stuff. Got some fuzzies on it. And I got these two lined up. I know I did a video on a Grumpy Jenkins Nova, or did I? Anyways, I'll throw it in this one too. There's my Chevelle convertible, Ray Allen's Big Brig Chevrolet. I think that's got the 454 in it, big block. That's the one where I had to cut the old roof off and put this on. This is off the 72 Olds. I did a video on that, I'm pretty sure. There you go, good old USA 1 plate on it. Grumpy Jenkins 68 Nova. It was as close as I could get. They don't make a 68 kit unless I want to buy aftermarket for like 65 bucks. The only difference really is the little lights back here, and up here was changed some. But did the vinyl top on it. I did one once before, and I think the other one came out a little better. There you go. Show you up under it. Got the classic Lakewood traction bars on her. There's tack on the dash. There's the little beast. The little Chevy that said he could. This one, I'll put this on eBay and sell it. When I do, I'm gonna let both hoods go with it. That's the hood that came in the kit. I happen to have this extra one. Had to file sand a little bit, but that's her. That's the Grumpy Nova. I guess this is gonna be a triple threat video for you guys. Anybody else that wants to look. Here's the socks car. Let me bring that out here. I'm going to add a couple more decals on the side window. When they raced it, it had the decals on it. I looked at the one that was restored, you know, and it didn't have any of these logos on it, hardly any sponsors. Some guy had it in a field by a barn. And I can't remember the guy's name, but he pulled it out and restored it. It was in Hendersonville last year for a nostalgia super stock reunion. I mean, I'd like to go into that. I love the headers on that kit. There's a nice Hemi in that. That's the old Johanna kit too. I've got like 3 of them left. I'm gonna do a Mopar missile, I think, next. Old back slot. Yeah, I'm running out of room to do videos, guys. My table got kind of taken over the fish tank and stuff, so I'm doing this atop the stove. Give me a shot of the other side. Yeah, this is one of the harder paint jobs to do. Getting a line up here and then the stripes on it. Getting those little pinstripes are a bear. And you can see I got a little bit of rough edging. I couldn't help that. And then you got the red. You got to be able to tape it off and everything without getting your red burnt. Classic Keystones. Put red seat belts in. I guess they ran this car as a 4-speed and an automatic, so different classes, I guess, different weekends they put they'd bring the automatic or they'd break out the 4-speed. But that's her. Now these two guys, Ray Allen Chevelle and Grumpy's Nova, could have very well ran each other somewhere sometime in a match race or anything. With the Cuda running full-blown pro stock, he wouldn't have ran either one of these guys, but Grumpy probably would have had his Vega by then or something. Or probably the 69 Camaro. But there you go. I kind of like the other hood a little better. What do you guys think? You like that's how you ran it right there. Just a factory flat hood. Or the louvers, the one with the louvers on it. Haven't decided which one I like best. I kind of like the louvers too. It makes it pop a little more. It's good old Krager's on it. Man, I lucked out. I just happened to have these decals back there where I did his a 68 Camaro a while back. And I forgot I had the Chevy Nova ones on it too. So, yeah, I've been kind of busy trying to keep the sanity here. But yeah, that would have been a nice run seeing these two guys race each other. That's for sure. But you can see them here lined up on Al Spencer's Gulf Coast Custom Models. Here we go. I thought about going into radio. There's the other side of Ray Allen's. Anyways, guys, that's about what I got for you right now. I finished my buddy's Cyclone he had to do a 67. Pretty much looked like the last one I did, except it was this one was red with a white interior. Black and white interior, red body, but I already packed it up, get it ready to ship for him. He sent me payment this week, so I'd forgotten I hadn't done a video. But there it is, Sox and Martin, 70 Cuda, Grumpy Jenkins 68, Chevy Nova 396, big block. And Ray Allen's 454, a tear, world champion. I think he ran this almost 2 years and never got beaten. I think when first time he lost, he actually red lighted. So that was a wicked number here. I guess it sold for a few million at one of them auctions like Meacham or something. And then originally sold, it didn't go that high. The guy put the factory motor back in it. It wasn't a race engine or tranny. And all the logos and everything have been taken off the original car. So when he sold it, it didn't sell very much. A couple $100,000, but I mean, the guy restored it and brought it right back to the way Ray Allen ran it. He even had the original engine he got from Ray Allen out of his garage. And tranny. And the guy put it back in this car and everything and super tuned it, as they call it. And then it sold for a couple mil. I can't remember the exact number. You can look that up, but that's the truth. I wouldn't lie about anything important. I wouldn't lie to you or your mama, but I don't know your mama, so. Hey guys, you take care. I'm thinking about doing the 69 Wally Boost Rat Pack 1 Camaro next. I haven't done one in a really long time, and that's a cool car. I like it, so that's probably what's on the front burner. I gotta get a hold of Becky at Slicks and get me some a hood scoop, because I'm gonna do a 69 Grumpy Camaro next too, so I might build them both in tandem. But I gotta get that, some liquid traction bars from Becky, and she's got all kinds of goodies for these cars, so even got the decals. Alright, hey, you guys take care, help each other. You need anything, let me know. If I can give you any tips, tricks, shortcuts, how-to-dos, let me know. I'll do a video. I've got several videos up in my archive, so of course YouTube, man, they monetized me and I didn't even know what the hell they were talking about. But I guess it's something about ads and getting paid, and hell, I ain't never got a dime for any of these. But it is what it is. Hey, you guys take care. I'll talk to you later. Al Spence here for Gulf Coast Custom Models with Sox and Martin's Cuda. These guys here are just a bonus. You take care, guys. Bye-bye.